Alrighty, good morning everybody. How are we doing this fine morning? Let's get it. Alright, let's go. Alrighty, new week. Let's see what's gonna pop off on gold. So David, you trading today?
Yep.
That's good.
Let's go.
Let's go, guys. Let's go. Yeah. This week should be good and interesting.
Uh-huh.
Let's see, gold has a support down here. 1800 to 1805 is a support. Let's see.
I can't see your screen this way.
Okay, wait, let me share my screen one sec. You can see it now? Yeah.
Yep.
Alright, and we have this kind of bearish channel that we're coming downwards with. Very interesting. Let's see what price is gonna do. I don't see much happening with price at this particular level because I actually see potential rejections over here. And right now we're actually at a 4-hour support this area here. 1805, but this 1805 to 1800 level is a key rejection area. Let's see. GJ, alright. So let's see, we look at gold in a bit. We'll see what is good. Alright, so here is the previous low. So gold is actually looking a little interesting, but I'm a little skeptical to trade it. So let's see if we get any other better opportunities on other pairs. Let's see, monthly support. Weekly candle, we're now moving up. Interesting. I think GJ is making a bullish channel this way. We got a nice little bullish channel going up on GJ. GJ has been going up this way too, which we just broke. So let's see. Let's see. So this is the daily candle, previous daily candle, which is super bullish, which we could look for a pullback down to these levels. Let's see. Two 40. So there is a potential pullback to this 162 key level. Right over here on GJ. 162 to 162,900. Let's just mark that. And if we pull back further, we're gonna pull back to the 78.6. Alright, there you go. And we have this right over here. So GJ has a potential pullback to these levels, which we could potentially look at. GJ below here. Mm-hmm. One 6.3 is a potential rejection level. So let's see, GJ is looking actually pretty decent. If we are to take this trend that we started forming on GJ now, from here going up, we can actually draw a nice little channel right over here. You see this? Come back down to the lower time frame and you can see the way it correlates really well. So this would be the breakout of that channel, which would be pretty interesting. So my shots will be on GJ below this level, and this would be point of caution. So yeah, that looks good. Right now, if we look at it, there, see, 100. So this could be a potential rejection zone. Let's see. So waiting for potential GJ closure below 162,700. If it crosses, we could potentially sell it. So let's see.
Hey, ladies. Well, I mean, guys.
Morning, Hector.
Morning. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah,
All right, cool, cool, cool. How you guys doing?
doing great. How about you?
Oh man,
But I think this is on mute.
Oh, so sorry. How long have I been on mute, guys?
Like
22
5 hours.
hours.
My
No,
bad. Let's go.
uh, are you in any trade, DC?
No, I'm waiting. I'm waiting for this GJ to close. Let's go. Waiting for GJ to close. Once GJ closes, I think we can take a shot. We have a 20 pip range to my first warning, and then after that, second uh I think more than 20, 40 pip range to the support that I'm looking at dropping down to, and furthermore to 162 flat. What do you think,
Sure.
Hector? David?
Sorry?
What do you guys think?
Yeah,
I think that we're on the same page, bro.
We're on the
yeah,
same
same
page?
here.
Alright, let's go. Potential shots from this level. We're looking at almost 15 pip stops. So I think we're gonna wait for a pullback, right? But actually now price looks like we can just continue down.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
You could
It
take the
might,
potential break of the low.
it might just take off,
Yeah.
and leave us behind. How's your guys' weekend, though?
Pretty good weekend. What about you? What you do?
Nothing much, just staying out of trouble.
Oh, must have been difficult.
Yeah, temptations is always there.
Okay, wait, let's see the GJ. GJ does look like it wants to leave us. Let's see. Wait for the closure so we know that it's a breakout. Mm,
Maybe we could take it on the 5 minute.
yeah.
If it breaks the low on the 5 minute. Mm,
Hmm. Yeah, let's see the candle closure. After that, we can look at something. So that'll be like 640. Can hold 15 pip stops above this level. And
yo,
look,
where's Andrew?
I don't know, he joined, but he's on mute.
He's being shy today.
Anyway, let's see. I think, yeah, GJ, there's a potential at 640, and we can hold our stops at this 15, 16 pips. Let's hope it continues to close below. Wait, let's see, GJ, 15 minute. Where's that for me? Okay, for me, the sell stop will be at 630. For GJ on my chart. So this looks interesting. So this could be a potential entry. I will actually look at entering this trade. Look at continuing to break these candles and continuing to the downside.
Are you gonna go full margin on this?
With GJ, even when I use a 15 lot, it's the same thing, right? So it's a little lesser actually.
No, but I'm asking, are you gonna risk 1% or you going halfy?
I think I'm gonna go with one.
That's right, this DC.
Because it's a good setup. We're breaking out of the channel, right? And we're breaking this key level, which is held all through previous New York session and Asian session today.
Yeah, go big or go home, right?
Oh man, let's go.
Wait, are we on YouTube?
Yeah, yeah.
Alright, cool.
Morning, ladies.
Morning, Andrew.
Good morning, missus.
What's happening?
We're looking at potentially shorting GJ once we close.
Okay.
Let's see, 30 minutes. Yeah, I would actually like the shorts. Once the 30-minute closes, it looks good to short. As long as we close below this level, guys. If we close above this level, I will not look at shorting it. The whole goal is to, you see this price action, now to do this. So that's the whole goal. You don't wanna get stuck, you know? So what you see going up is what you wanna see going down to. Nice price action going down. What's good is the last two 5-minute candles have been trading below. What's your spread zone, GJ?
Two.
1.2.
Okay,
Two.
mine's almost 2 pips, yeah. But I've been noticing GJ does have really big spreads most of the days.
Always.
Yeah. GU. Where do you think there's a potential short for GU? Because it feels like GU wants to go down.
Yeah, if it breaks 300.
Yeah. So you'll ignore the 30-minute fake out to the left? This one?
Yeah, but with volume, I think I'll break even as to when it taps that.
Okay, when it taps the fake out level over here. Interesting. Alright, GT about to close, which is very nice. Good closure. Let's see. If this 5-minute goes back above this level, like these 3 fake outs previously, then this trade is invalid. It looks to be going back. Can we have a third fake out, or was that just a tap?
Dude, look at GU. GU looks good.
Alright. I'm cancelling my sell stop on GJ. I'm now gonna wait for a higher time frame closure. Even if it pushes, I don't care.
Wait, look at GU real quick.
Okay, GU, yeah. Oh, the 30-minute looks very nice.
I know.
Let's see. But how many pips would that stop be? Okay, not too bad, 17 pips. That looks tempting, not gonna lie. We've broken the previous daily low. Hmm. So 1 hour closure would be nice. Is the 40? Yeah, it would be a 45 and a 1 hour closure, so that'll be good. You think the daily will continue to the daily support, Hector, to 1900?
It might.
Yeah, I think below 19300 we can slowly start looking for a shot. This is the resistances that we're looking to get below. So let's see if this time we're gonna fake out or not. I think we should wait for a 1 hourly closure below 19300. It looks interesting.
It does. Even gold too.
Yeah. No top wick on GJ. That makes me uncomfortable. It could push now. So even if it did break these lows and pushes, your stops would be right above this current candle, like 8 pips. Let's see. Guys, I'm not in this trade.
Let's take GU.
Yeah. So Geo, we can wait for when it closes. Or are you gonna take the break of the lows? I think I'm just gonna wait. Let's see.
I think Andrew already took the trade.
I guess we'll never know.
Yeah. He's probably sweating right now.
You got one thing right. I like the potential Geo says. I've got to wait for it to close below this level and short it. Okay, let's check the chat. Okay, we got quite a few people guys in the chat. What's good, man? Tony Gold, WTV, Milando, Boom G, Arcats, FX Planet Pro. FX Planet Pro, if you're using a Visa card, it should work. There's no reason as why it shouldn't work, because it worked for me too. Or Visa debit card. Kevin View, morning, morning. Ned, morning. Isaac, morning. You guys all ready for the morning? Send in what y'all are potentially looking for. Send in what y'all are potentially looking for. Oh, this is the 5-minute engulfing candle. 10 pip. What do you think about the 5-minute flip on GJ? There's clean traffic towards the left.
I know, that looks tempting. Should we take it? Yeah.
10 pips. And we can reduce our stops once we do flip. We got at least 15 pips. Alright. But there's no top wick still, so I'm not gonna. Let's not hector. Even if you miss this trade, no problem.
There's a nipple wick.
Oh, the 30-minute top?
Oh, that's weird. I'm getting a nipple wick on my chart.
Okay, I don't know why I don't have one on mine.
Oh, because you have Oanda, right?
Yeah, I only use the Wanda.
I use FX.
FX? Oh, FXCM.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Geo for not top. uh, the bridal clicks morning. You guys have the most epic names, yo. Why not forget GJ wait for gold? I completely agree with that. The toughest part is trying to forget GJ, guys.
Look at GU.
Mm,
moving.
maybe we can take it after this 15 closes on you.
Yeah. But GU is following gold.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Normally they both follow each other. It's just that I don't know why I don't like the ranges on gold today.
I mean, if we breaks 1806, I think we're good. Oh no.
Yeah, I'm just looking, give me a minute. So falling from here. So this is the range right now. Okay, yeah, if we close below 1808, in my opinion, I do think we can continue down, but only to fill this range. So there's only like 25 pips on gold. And so if I'm not risking 10 pips, I don't think I'm gonna take 25 pips. You know? I don't wanna do a 1-to-1 like 20 pips for 20 pips. Our cats. One way of putting it. Never forget her, GJ. If you try, it could be traumatic. Perhaps you don't let go because retrace is coming. Yeah, I do think the retrace is coming because if you look at it, we have so many key levels down over here, you know, towards the left, when we look to the left of the chart. So I do feel like it's gonna pull back somewhere or the other. Let's see, what news do we have coming this week for USD? Consumer confidence, ISM manufacturing PMI, unemployment claim. Okay, so not that drastic news for gold, so let's see. And we've tapped into the fake out successfully. So we're now here on GU. We need to wait for a closure below this level. If we close below this level, we could have a potential drop down to that level, which is 20 pips away. So it's pretty good. Alright, so this 15-minute candle is closing. Gold 15 also closed above. The 30 is open for another 14 minutes now, 15 minutes. So let's see. This is the last 15-minute candle in this 30. So let's try to get it. NFP on next week. Yeah, next week. That's alright. Gold buys from 1815 to 1825 is what I'm interested. 18.15 to 18.25. What was that? Oh, that's GJ. GJ is crawling back up. Anyway, so gold above here, so that's okay. You're talking about 18.15. Yeah, that looks good. That looks good because we'll be breaking out of this structure. So I would preferably like it to break out of this trend line, retest, and then give us something like that. That would be really nice. GJ and GU pulling back from the zones we marked up. Yeah, cats. I'm pretty much looking at the same thing. That would definitely be nice. Because I mean, how long has gold actually been falling, right? So let's look at the daily candles. So we've been falling now. So this was the rejection area. Since Jan 27th, it's almost been a month since we've been falling. So let's see what's good. Oh, I looked at you just now, my bad. Yeah. Oh, we've only been falling from Feb 23rd. That was a quick draw. 7th Feb. 2nd Feb. So it's been a month of falling. Interesting. So it's been a month since we've broken out of this drastic trend over here. So let's see if we can find a potential channel. So we can actually expect this to be a potential rejection zone. Let's see. So it's good we didn't get into any of these trades because look at the way candles are closing. So this is closing as a fake out. So the 30-minute is clearly showing you no candle has closed below. Here, beautiful. We avoided a few fake outs today. Yeah, okay. So let's see what's happening. Alright, chat, let me know what's good. Show me. There's 61 of us. Let's see what you guys are looking for. So far, a few of us in the chat have been looking at potential gold buys, which could work out very well. But now I'm gonna wait for a candle closure below this level for any form of shorts on this. We need a good closure because we've now faked out like a dozen times over here. Sometimes when I'm not sure of a trade, I use a 0.1 to see that can't even hurt if I can't lose it. Alright, that's good. Juano, morning. Perhaps GJ sells or GU in 10 minutes Frankfurt Open. Yeah, GU actually looks pretty decent, but again, with GU, we're going off of these higher time frames, right? Potential breakout, which could also be a potential fake out like we did last time. So if you see just now, we came down here and we rejected this point, which is 9230. 19230, yeah. So I'm gonna wait for a proper break below that level and then look at it. Let's get this day popping up.
Wait, how much are you up on your challenge?
Me?
Yes.
I'm up 1%.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, because you break even on Friday, huh?
Yeah, on Friday also I broke even. How much are you up on your challenge, Hector? Were you starting a new challenge or something? I remember you saying something.
Yeah, I was thinking about taking uh from the same company that you got.
Oh, from Global Trader Funds? Or from Finauto?
Uh, from Global Trader Funds.
Yeah.
But I was looking at the auctions though, but I don't see any instant
No.
payout.
Oh, for 100 and 200k, there's instant payout.
For real? Cause I
Yeah.
don't see it. I don't have any auction shit.
Okay, so you go to the website, right? Global Trader Funds. You see my screen?
Yeah, I see it.
Okay, programs. Now you choose. You see 100 and 200k are both instant payouts.
Oh, but that's a little more, huh? Oh no, it's the same thing.
And so you can get instant payouts on other accounts also if you're funded with that account for more than 2 months or 3 months. You have to be funded with them for more than 2 to 3 months. And if you use GTF 10 DC, then you get a 10% discount on all challenges.
Oh yeah, now I see the auction.
Yeah. So just think of it, you can make $1,000 a day and you can withdraw 800 bucks of it straight up on a 200k.
That sounds good.
Yeah. Alright, there's GU, there's GJ. Let's see, GJ is doing some funny stuff right over here. Guys, what are the trades y'all are looking at? Put it down. DC, which one is good? MFF or Finautive? Guys, Finautive all day, every single day. I don't think I really have to say that anymore. Between my Forex funds and Finautive, come on, you guys know the vibe. Did you have any account on MFF? Yes, Savi, I was funded with my Forex funds when I started my journey. And I'm not saying my Forex funds is bad. They're a good prop firm, no doubt. My Forex funds is a good prop firm. But after you use Finotive, there's no going back. Once you use Finotive, there's no going back. So yeah, Kevin Nash, GBP USD buy now as it is testing the 4-hour resistance just for short term. 4-hour resistance? You mean this support slash resistance? Yeah, potentially. It's just that I would be a lot more confident on GU buys above this level. So for GU buys, I've been looking for a break of structure. I need at least one break of structure. I don't want to buy GU in a downtrend, you know? I don't want to buy GU in a downtrend. Survey everything possible. Every single thing. From spreads to market execution speed to payout speed to no time limits at all to their instant funding account. Finotive is the best funding firm out there. Ask Tony Gold and everyone in the chat who've used MFF and Finotive. Hector, what do you think about MFF and Finotive?
Finotis is it's awesome.
There you go. Finotive is goated.
MFF, you have to wait like a month to actually get your profit.
Yeah.
And, you know, sometimes you can't even make it. But yeah, Finotis is good.
They're the best out there, so yeah. Alright, so looking into it, GBP USD, very nice. We've been breaking the lows, but now we look to be pulling back. I won't be looking to take a trade in here. Kevin is potentially taking a buy, right? Pretty decent. It looks decent if you're gonna take a buy. Back up to the top of the range. It's just not for me. Are you guys seeing any other trades, Hector? Let's just look to the left. Got this.
I'm looking at your favor, EJ.
Alright, let's do that. Oh, EJ's been trending up.
Yeah.
Alright, give me a second. Let me just break this down. Potentials, that's the bullish channel we've been in. Alright. Ouch, that hurt. I think EJ also there's no trade till we break down, right? Below 630. 625 almost, yeah. So EJ also there's basically no trade until we break that level. But EJ buys above this 1 hour resistance look really good. That is 144. Yeah. Check on the 1 hour. Gold is rejecting, could probably rejecting could be a sell probably. Yeah, we're gonna wait for a candle closure below this level. $50 pips. The 1 hour candle is a huge rejection on gold, yeah. I see what you guys are looking at. But we're struggling to close below. So we're just gonna sit on our hands and wait, guys. Alright. Guys, smash that like button if you're here. Just smash that like button. And put it in the chat. What is the potential pair you're looking at? There's 75 of us. Amazing. Put it in the chat what you guys are looking for. Alright, GU is going up. GJ is going up a little bit. I do think it's gonna continue down, GJ. But I just feel like we're gonna have to wait for it.
London. We might have to wait for London.
Yeah.
Because there's no volume right now. I mean, there is, but it's just
Yeah.
a lot of fake out.
Well, too many fake outs at this level.
Yeah, I know. Hey, so how's your new bike treating you?
Oh man, yesterday we were whipping it around. Hector.
Yeah,
When you gonna pick up one of those?
not sure, man.
Next
I'm
payout,
not
let's go.
sure. You got me?
Why not?
Come on, DC, you got me, bro. You're gonna have a payout from those 200K account. Come on, bro. My birthday just happened.
Oh, look at that. Now we gotta wait till the next birthday.
I mean, you cool with, give me a gift right before my birthday, you know?
Like the next one? Definitely.
Uh, Come on, DC. I'm only asking for an R6.
Only an R6, eh? Definitely.
Yeah, you could put this as a business expenses.
Oh man, this guy. Alright guys, we're expecting Geo to stay below this level over here. We were actually hoping for Geo to come back down to the bottom of this range and break it. Which I'm now gonna shift this down to here. This is where the potential sells are. So we're waiting for it to break below this range and look at potential continuation. So if we get that, then we can start looking for other things. Is gold about to sell? How many of you guys are gonna sell gold?
You should do a poll.
Okay, let's do a poll. Short gold or short GJ?
Or do you?
Oh, G. Okay, let's do that. Let's do a poll. Let's see. Okay. Short gold. Short GJ. All right, I've opened the poll up, guys. Let's get some interaction. Let's get some. Check it out. Let's get some interaction. All right, let's see how many of them are looking at shorting gold or GJ or Geo. Let's see. All right. If this 15-minute candle closes below this previous 15-minute on GJ, then I'm gonna short it. I'm going to short it. Gold, wait for London Open. So dirty. On the left, yeah, Kevin, that's true. I am in a sell on gold already, Nathan. Alright.
What's his confirmation?
Nathan, can you send in a chart on the free Telegram? Guys, if you want to join our Telegram, it's in the chat. Send in your charts. If you're saying something is gonna do something, then send in your charts. Let's see. No confirmations on gold since currently. WTV, that's what I thought. Geo is not yet pushing down.
Well, yeah, this I have a question. What did you struggle the most when you first started trading?
What did I struggle with the most?
Yeah.
Mm,
Because I'm pretty sure like people at the chat, they're probably going through the same, I guess issue.
yeah. I mean, like, there were different struggles. Like, so, firstly, for strategy, trying to find a successful strategy. Second, it was like, you follow these whole bunch of influencers
Yeah, sometimes
who are
that's one of
making
the
like
issues.
20, 30K a day, and you're looking at yourself and you're just getting frustrated.
Yeah, I know. I get you. Because when you come into this, I guess this industry,
Yeah,
and you see them, you actually you have a picture that you're gonna become rich from one day to another, and it's
exactly.
not like that, until like
A
the
hundred.
markets break you.
Yeah,
That's when you're like, oh no, it's not gonna happen.
it humbles you properly.
It does. Even at work, I had a guy that was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna become a Forex millionaire. And I'm like, okay, bro. He's
Like,
like,
I wish you the very best, but
don't come back. Don't be out here crying about
yeah,
it. He's like, and I'm like, bro, how long have you been trading? He's like, I, I'm barely gonna start this month, and I'm like, okay, good luck with that, bro.
yeah, it's I think one of the biggest problems in this industry is trying to have a small vision firstly trying to aim for small targets before you start going after massive targets. I mean, we all had like a first $10 day, where it was absolutely smashing. You couldn't believe that you made $10 that day from one trade or two trades, whatever.
I know. You know
And
how much I make? Oh, go ahead, go ahead.
yeah, tell me,
So you know how much I make when I first started trading?
tell me.
In a week, I make 1,400.
Wow.
I Yeah, I had a account that was 400, and I make 1,200 in a week.
Wow. May I ask what happened to that account?
And then I was like, yeah, I got this. I'm gonna
Yeah,
become one of the best forex traders.
best of the best.
I'm gonna become one of those, like, I'm gonna call my Hector Raul.
Yeah, and same, even for me, it was a very small start. So I was back in college, right? I used to sit in college and I used to put $10 in IC markets, because that was the lowest possible. And I used to keep putting $10, keep blowing it up, put another $10, blow it up. Then finally you feel like you got this, and then you put $100, then you blow the $100 up, then you go back to, trading $50, whatever, right? And
Yeah, no.
and it was a constant process of learning to understand that the small money mattered too, you know?
Yeah. Oh yeah, back to the account. I lost the account in like a day or two. I blew the account, and I was like, man, I should have just pulled out with money, you know.
Yeah. You know, it's everything
But
is possible until it's not.
yeah, I see the possibilities though, you know.
Yeah,
That's what it got me hooked.
exactly. And so, I mean, the thing I struggle with the most was also like trying to find a profitable strategy. And so when I started trading, I found the breakout strategy really good, right? So I started trading the breakout strategy again and again and again, and then after some time I got frustrated, right? And I started taking any breakout I saw, you know?
Yeah, no, yeah. See, that's the thing. Like every strategy works, but it's more like psychology and risk management at
Yeah.
times, you know.
Yeah, it's like every strategy is a really good strategy as long as you know where and when to use it, you know?
Yeah, yeah, no, and like the same strategy is not gonna work for you. I mean, the same strategy that works for someone else is not gonna work for you, you know.
Yeah, most
You
likely
have
it won't.
you have to learn like how to switch.
Exactly. And the most important thing was also finding a strategy that you're comfortable with. So it's very important. Navi, yes, I trade full time. So
But
yeah,
yeah, go ahead. Your strategy is more like a breakout, right?
yeah, I mostly trade breakouts, but I tried, trading fibs and I tried trading retracements and stuff like that, and it didn't work out as well as I would have wanted it to, right?
Yeah, no, I get you.
And it just never kept me happy, it was like I was always, you know, uh, I was always
Looking,
scared.
yeah, looking for something else. So.
Yeah. And then coming back to the breakout strategy, but using those things that I learned previously was so important. And I learned a lot of stuff when I tried it. So yeah. So so the amazing thing that I was able to do, I went through this whole process of going through different strategies and then coming back to my own strategy, right? The like my own comfortable strategy that was breakouts, but using a lot of the stuff that I learned around. You get what I mean?
Yeah,
Which were like using the fibs, checking retracements, market structures, fundamentals, etc. You know? So that's I feel like the things you learn besides while you're trying to find your strategy is very important because they play a pivotal role in confluence.
yeah, that's what I was thinking. Confluences, you know.
Yeah.
I usually trade like breakouts, but I also trying to do like try. I should trade like supply and demand, you know.
Yeah. Supply and demand also is there, yeah. And the thing is, when we check
Because
the fibs, right? When you mark your fibs up, it
because
works. So sorry, Hector, yeah?
because in reality, like one strategy is never gonna work. You know, you need like multiple strategies
Yeah. It's
because the
like,
market is never gonna break.
yeah. You gotta, what do you say? You gotta be confluent with the market. You gotta be fluid with the market. You need to be able to watch what the market is doing. When it shows you an impulse entry, you should be able to take an impulse entry. When it shows you a breakout entry, you need to be able to take a breakout. When it shows you a rejection entry, you take a rejection entry, fake out entry, etc., etc. That's the most important thing in trading, where you're fluid in the market.
Yeah, I gotcha.
Yeah, and one more thing is, when we use fibs and everything, right? If we mark it post, you know, move, right? After this entire move is done, whatever, let's just say this, right? Mark this entire, excuse me, mark this entire move, and then you see price came exactly to the 61.8 and it continued up, right? Everyone can say I told you so, this, that, and everything. But using fibs with other confluences, you know, is what actually helped me successfully use fibs. you know, which helped me actually look at trading and everything from a different point of view. So I think one of the most important things is taking everything you've learned, bringing it together under a roof that you understand best, and giving yourself the best possible opportunities.
Yeah, yeah, that's right. Just
Cause
takes just
yeah,
takes experience, you know.
yeah, that's true. No matter what, if the experience is not there, guys, then it's not gonna work out. No one becomes successful overnight. How many times have you woken up to massive money in the morning, Hector? Just woken up to huge, huge, huge gains.
I don't really like day trade. I scalp. I don't like to be in the market for a long time.
Yep.
I'm not sure about you though. I know you leave a lot of runners, no?
Yeah, I do like to leave a lot of runners, but
See
like
that?
off late I've been liking just closing the trade and taking my profits.
Yeah, see, that's one of my issues. I don't leave a runner.
Yeah,
Oh, like I overtrade. Well, when I started trading, I used to overtrade a lot. Man, I was putting like 20 trades a day.
man.
Oh, look
Wow.
at GU. Look at GU. It's flying.
Yeah, GU's going up now, which is decent because we're
It's
looking
just,
for it to close above this level.
I know. I was looking at that too. That means gold is gonna go up right now too.
Yeah, gold right now looks like it's gonna break into the previous range, that is 1810. So let's see whether that's just a retest on gold or not. I think especially for new traders, first find a strategy that works for you 90% of the time and then stick to it for some time. You know? But I really feel like the only way to get better at what you do is by studying other strategies too.
Back test.
Exactly. Because, Hector, like the way you trade too is a lot of breakouts, right? Breakouts
I
and
do.
fake outs. And so I've seen you use fibs also, I've seen you use demand and supply also. And that's because even after you learned breakout strategy, you tested those other strategies out.
Yeah, I
And,
do.
and so in order to it's like driving a car, right? It's not just slamming the accelerator and a steering wheel. Many people think that's all it's about. It's about finding out which lane you're in. It's about finding out how you are to drive on the highway as compared to in the city. It's about how you are to, uh, change the gears when you're driving down a mountain. It's
Yeah.
it's it's a lot different. Driving is not just accelerator and steering wheel.
Like for breakouts, I usually like to use breakouts when there's volume.
Yeah,
Because for the most part, it's just fake outs, you know?
yeah,
That's when I'm like, alright, if we break this level, then it's just gonna keep going.
yeah.
You see what I'm saying? Like,
Yep, I agree with that.
I
Yeah.
just, I'm just not gonna take a breakout just because it breaks, you know?
Very true.
I gotta see some volume. Type of like, retracement.
Yeah.
Because I used to do that too. Like, I used to like just take a breakout and like, boom. Next thing you know, boom. I used to blow my account.
Yeah, and you reach a point where you just take every single breakout that comes your way.
I know. I mean, it might work once, twice, 5 times, and then boom,
And then you get slammed like 5 times in a row.
then you get slapped.
Yeah, I remember I used to have a lot of those days too, so. Okay, let's check the chat. Guys, put in any questions you have in the chat. Rain,
What do you guys like have, you know, struggle the most?
yeah, put in what you struggle with the most. Yeah, that's very true. Rainmaker says patience, patience, patience. Very, very true. Abnas. Uh, how do you see SRC? S- Smart Raja Concepts is a very good place for beginner traders to start. I think he makes trading look a lot better than what most people will teach you to put like a million things on your charts. He keeps it simple. Ali Darby says everything. Survey Lambo Heck FX. What is that? Yeah, but now I think because there are good traders who like to put their gains and their wins and their Lambos and this and that. Uh, it's different, right? It's a very competitive industry that way because they're selling you a dream where people are chasing the Lambos and not the art of trading. What do you think, Hector? Don't you think people are now chasing after more Lambos than the
Yeah,
art
man.
of actually trading?
Yeah, that's how I was when I started it.
Yeah,
Yeah, I got caught up with the lie.
yeah.
Oh man, we look at GU. I think we might get a closure.
Yeah, GU and gold also. Gold is about to close above 1910.
No, I'm thinking of taking gold. Or actually, GU looks clean.
I'm
Also gold.
I'm
Cause
chasing two
feel it.
people. Yeah?
Uh, what are you thinking? What do you think? Gold or GU?
Let's see. GU above 19630, of course. Not before that. In gold above 1910. It looks good, honestly. Gold above 1810, sorry. 1810. Um, we
That'll
haven't
be
been.
like the daily flip.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for the next 30 minute to close above this. 1 hour candle gotta close above this 1810. Because we could even get a fake out from this side and continue down, you know, from the upside and continue down.
Yo, I like what Ali said.
Chasing to pay my bills.
That was good. That was good. That's very true though, you know? Sometimes you wanna, I guess your internet bill.
Yeah. Man, gold closed above 1810. I'm just not comfortable with gold buys, guys. I don't know why. I just don't feel comfortable with gold. What do you guys think? Are you guys taking gold? I am not trading gold until it gets there. Yeah, because I want gold to kind of break out, you know, of some form of market structure before I try to buy gold. Be careful, guys. Smash that like button. Smash that like button. Smash that like button if you're here and you also want to pursue this career in trading. You know, once you start trading, there is like there's there's no excuses you can give whatsoever. There are zero excuses you can give once you start trading. Hector, quick question. How many times have you thought of quitting?
Every day, bro.
No, but on a serious note, how many times have you thought of quitting?
When I blew my account, you know, like
Hmm.
many times, bro. Many times, but then when I got my first payout, that's when I was like hooked.
Yeah.
Cause come on, I made like, cause I was never gonna make this much money in like in a regular job, you know.
Yeah.
But yeah, I see the possibilities, you know. Which it was good, you know. Like, come on, I wasn't gonna make like wait 3,700 in like an hour. Well, in like 10 minutes.
Hmm.
What
Just
about you?
for me, I did think of quitting, especially when I blew my funded accounts. You know, I was like, okay, it's discouraging. It's actually, it's not like you want to quit forever, but at that moment, you're like, you know, I don't want to do this no more.
You wanna take a break?
Yeah, you're just like, this is too stressful, this and that, so yeah. Gold buys on 30-minute flip. I see what you guys want to do. There is a potential, but I really don't want to take this, guys.
Yeah, there's no volume.
Yeah. We could just fake out to the upside and then continue down.
Go down to the 1 minute.
On gold?
Yeah, just to see the.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's no volume to the upside anymore. You see it?
Hmm. Yeah.
Like it's struggling to go up.
Yeah. Even if it does go up, I'm fine with it. I just don't wanna take this particular trade. It's nice and all that. It looks good. But it's like, look at gold. It's in this downtrend. I don't wanna be buying while we're going down.
So, I'm not going against the train.
Yeah. That's financial suicide. Yo, hi-fi trader, what's good? Fake out trap, yeah, that's what even I was thinking. Very short sale in gold because in the long term, it is in a buying region. Yeah, that's why we're all holding off, guys. That's why we're all holding off. Just be cautious. You want to stay calm, cautious. Wait for your trade to come to you. Wait for it to show you the opportunities. If you're here and you're being patient and disciplined, smash that like button. Because we're here to just do one thing, that's be patient and as disciplined as traders as possible. The Chetan. Oh, yo Chetan, what's good, man? How we doing? DC, how will you explain volume for every different moment. Alright, so look at this, okay? So firstly, you have volume where you understand where volume you understand where volume regions are and also what volume times are. So firstly, volume times are at market opens, like New York Open, London Open, New York Stock Exchange Open, Frankfurt Open, those kind of stuff. Those kind of times where, you know, transactions are being processed and stuff like that. And now where you understand where volume zones are, right? So when you look at your chart, you first have to understand what is happening, alright? So look at this. This is a volume zone. 1 second. This is not a volume zone, right? Then you again have this, and you have this, and then you have this, right? So you want to be in this region, right? You don't want to get stuck in these regions of consolidation, because your volume zones are in these nice big clean candle moves which reflect 1 to 1 from time to time. Alright, so let me just expand my screen. Alright, so you see this is a volume zone, this is the consolidation zone, this is the volume zone, consolidation zone, right? Consolidation zone. Then you follow another breakout, and then you have a volume zone, you have a consolidation, because the market always goes through phases again and again, right? Impulses and consolidations, impulses and consolidations. Yeah, cats. Because all the time frames are bullish. 1 hour rejects. Yeah, GJ bias is actually something we were considering. Let's just remove all of these rectangles. So yeah, so we were also looking at GJ bias this morning. Let's see what happens now. GJ bias above 163 is what we're looking at. There's a potential rejection zone here at 900 if you look at it. Right, so I'm gonna wait for a closure above 163 flat or below. Yeah, just be cautious, guys. Wait for it. Wait for your trade to come to you, right? There's no reason as to why you shouldn't wait. Because once the trade comes to you, you're the only one. You're the only one who knows what's gonna happen, right? According to your strategy. So let's see, 30-minute time frame. Let's mark 60 maybe. Alright, so this is my rejection zone, 163 flat to around 163, 650, 060. So I know once I break above this zone is like my no trades range, which I don't touch at all, right? So I'm not gonna trade in between this range right over here. Once I break above this zone, there's potential to the upside, and if I break below, there's potential to the downside. There you go. That's what it's gonna look like. Because then when I break above 163 flat, I know this will be my first target right over here, and I know I'm looking to break these highs. And you can potentially see what I'm looking for. So I'm looking to break this Firstly, I'm looking also to break these lower highs that are being created because I want the market to create higher highs if I'm looking to go bullish, right? So that would be the creation of a new higher high. So that's why GJ, my alarm is at 163. Every time. Alright, so that's my analysis on GJ. Because again, we'll be following the pattern. So let me just send it out on Telegram. My strategy is this. John Antonio, Richard Wyckoff, cause and effect, volume region consolidation. Interesting. Joano. Mm. Yeah, so that's why don't get involved in this mess right over here, guys. Look at this. Look at how many times we fake out on this side. So that's why. Joano, they're all there, and Andrew is quiet today. Not sure why, but yeah, must be busy. So let's watch it. Well, yeah. There's another 15 minutes for London. So let's see what's gonna happen. This is looking very interesting. If London does manage to push the markets and close below, that'll be very interesting. Gold is annoying me a little bit. I don't want to touch it. Is Andrew the wise one with the English accent? No, Andrew's the South African one. Andrew, you there? Let's see if Andrew's there.
Yes, sir.
Why are you so quiet today?
Sorry, man. I was busy just typing out some emails. I don't want that tick, 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 tick in the background.
Alright. So he's asking, is Andrew the wise one with the English accent? And
I'm the wise one with
No.
the South African. There is no wise one with an English accent.
Nor is there one with a South African accent, so yeah, it's alright.
We start in the morning off early. Let's go.
Oh, you're kind of late to the
Oh.
morning, Andrew.
Morning, Mr. Durant. Baba Lass. No, I don't drink.
Alright, so gold just flipped. I don't know who is in this, but I know quite a few guys wanted to buy. I don't want to buy gold. If it works out for y'all, I will be more than happy. I kinda like the other trades better than I do gold.
I actually like GU the best out of all of them. It goes above 63, 630.
Yeah, 630. Above that high, and yeah. if gold is gonna move, it needs to move now.
The problem with gold is that it made a run for it earlier and it retraced that entire run.
Yeah.
It's the only problem I have with gold. How was the weekend? How's the weekend, chat? Who did what? Who went to jail? Who didn't?
Oh. Not bad. Gold is working out so far.
Yeah, previous gold 4 hour doesn't have a top wick, so I'm not too keen to sell gold. I'm not too keen to buy it either.
Yeah.
I did see somebody with an advice on gold above 18. I think they said 1814, which is
Yeah.
a
18
good trade.
15. Our cats call that out, which is, yeah, which is the sensible trade, you know? That makes sense because that's a break of structure.
You didn't say how your weekend was, DC.
Oh, my weekend was good, Andrew. What about you?
Yeah, no, it was quiet. It was good. It was
Yeah.
not too bad.
Busy weekend with the family or just church?
Busy weekend with the girlfriend, and yeah, just relaxing and enjoying no electricity.
Wow, no electricity also. Now that's a subtle flex.
Yes,
Ah.
because we all flex when we don't have electricity.
Oh man. Ooh, gold is moving. 15 pips. Da-da-da.
Using gold, chat. Let's see. Boomji's in gold.
Yeah, Johnny is. Do-do-do-do.
Friday's move was much bigger than I thought it was going to be. I'm going to be honest.
On gold?
Yeah.
Where did you stay on GU buys?
G Bubs.
No, sorry,
620.
it was GJ.
Who's in GJ bars?
No, what I'm asking is like, you remember Friday you took a GJ trade
Oh yes.
and it flew, bro. It went like 40 pips, 50
Yeah.
pips. Did you stay in it?
Yeah, I think I got 30 on Friday.
Oh yeah,
But I would have
nice.
much rather been in the gold that you guys were in because that thing just carried on going forever.
Yeah, no, but GJ moved pretty big after that though. After like, I believe like,
I didn't stay
I
in for
know.
the whole move because I couldn't watch it.
Yeah.
No, GJ was moving that night.
BE on Wakefield, yeah. Careful guys on gold.
Yeah.
Come on, we have 10
Got
minutes
10
to
minutes
London
till
Open.
London.
Jinx.
It might fill this range between 1810 to 1815 and then only go down. Who
Yeah.
knows? It's gold, it's Monday, it's just
Yeah.
take your time.
It could also just fake out and slam it down.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
crash a couple of counts.
Because right now, if you look at the 1 hour impulsive move down in your raw fib, it's right at the 61.8 level right over here. So we could push up to the 78.6. But that at that point we'd be changing structure. So that's why I'm not looking to touch gold.
Yeah, it's kind of in that no trade range right now,
Yeah,
between 1815 and 1810.
that's the only way to identify that there's a change in market structure.
Samitha was obviously in gold as well, 14 pips. Nice, Samitha.
Nice.
Very, very nice.
Keep an eye on gold 4 hour, no top wick.
Oh, we're talking about the previous candle, okay.
Yeah. Man, I nearly took that GJ sell from earlier. Thank goodness I didn't.
Yeah, that's why we always wait for candle closures. Dude, also this weekend I saw the Samsung Arc. Have you all seen the Samsung Arc, the 55-inch monster?
No, negative.
Oh my word. It's way better in person. Tamita, beautiful. You executed on goal, that's amazing. Nice. Guys are sending in good charts. Guys, you can send in charts on Telegram. Beautiful. 75% secure at 14 pips. 15 pips. Beautiful. Let's see. Oh, gold filled it. Now I think you should be up almost 20. Yeah, 23 pips. It's pushed. GU is just trying to go up. Which means GJ sells are probably not gonna work out. So we're gonna have to look for GJ buys. Let's see, can GU close above 630? Keep going, lads, keep going. Beautiful. 20 pips. Amazing. Beautiful stuff. Those who got gold, beautiful. That was the easy gold trade, yep. Very
You think
easy.
it was easy gold trade? I don't know about that, guys. That was a risky gold trade.
Very. It's just for
Yeah.
whoever took it, they risked lesser than their reward, so it's good for them.
Yeah, no, for sure.
Yeah, no, that
It's
was a
nice
risky.
support that it created there.
Yeah. See, the trades we're looking for, we're most likely looking for continuations. You know, we're not just looking for something that's going to push like 10 pips. We don't want to just cast that 4-hour wick, you know, you get what I mean? You don't want to just cast that small wick and then continuation.
Yeah, but you also don't want to counter trend until you get a confirmation, a positive confirmation. Well, for me, that's the way I would trade. Let's put it that way.
Yeah.
Why close below? Still close back in the range. Wow. Okay.
What was that thing we used to look at before? JXY what? Or JPY basket?
JPY basket.
Let's just check out the JPY basket. What's it looking like today? Interesting. Oh, so JPY basket is actually pushing down, guys. Dang.
I mean, GJ is gonna push up right now.
Yeah, I think JPY basket should retrace. Let's see. I think JPY basket above 900 almost. 7,900. 7,900. So if we could get that to start moving up, then we have this clean range which we could fill in on GJ also to the downside. And that would be pretty much a similar move because like I said, I marked this out also, where GJ can potentially move down to this region before going back to break those highs. So that's what we're looking at, guys. GJ higher time frame looks more promising on buys. Yep, GJ higher time frame does look more promising on buys up here. So we're waiting for that to come up. We can get a nice little buy above 163. Guys, there's 91 of us in this live stream today. Smash that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Yep, beautiful. Just smash that like button. Let's go for it. You see gold, why we are not looking at buying gold over here? I'd rather wait for the break of structure on gold and then take it. That looks more promising. Impressive. There's 95 of us here today. Beautiful. DXY, guys. What about the DXY? The DXY is looking very bullish. This is what we were looking at last week. Right? We had broken out of this trend that we had formed previously. We retested this level and we were continuing up on DXY. So, but the thing about the DXY is, we were extremely bearish on the DXY, and now we're trading above this previous demand zone right over here. Right, that is 105, which potentially gave us our last push up to 1808.
Alright, bro, it's London.
Alright, have we opened?
Yes.
Yeah, Bob.
Let's see. Caution, guys, caution. London is now open. GU. We've come down to this level and rejected so many times, but each time
Yeah.
creating a lower high. You know? I don't know. Did we retrace the entire move back? Yeah, to the 61.8. So if we retrace this entire move, we should move back to here. Interesting. What do you guys think is gonna happen? What do you guys think is gonna happen? Let's get today moving. I really wanted to take some big trades today.
You might have to wait.
You think?
It's just like, these Monday morning things are just.
Yeah.
Hey.
The thing is, there are some Monday mornings where we get bangers, some Monday mornings where we get banged.
Yeah. The morning it's either making a top wick for the week or a bottom wick or whatever. So
Yeah.
sometimes the afternoon session is better on Mondays when it does its reversals.
Yeah. Let's see NAS 100.
Nice boom, 20 pips. That's a good start to the Monday.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at EJ.
What is happening on EJ?
EJ looks the same as GJ.
I know. It's about to break the low. Oh no, never mind.
Check.
Yeah, the live streams.
Yeah, it went down and now I'm kinda back.
There she is. I mean, he.
Are we back? Are we back, guys? I don't know what happened, man. That went down. Are we back again? Oh. Well, did you guys take anything while I was away for 30 seconds?
Yeah, I'm thinking of taking gold sales right now. Cause it came back to the range.
No, man. I'm staying away from gold this range. Either below or above.
Fake out below 1810. Oh, GU spiked up and did
But
nothing
it's got no
useful.
bottom wick on the 1 hour.
Yeah. GU continuation cells.
If I were to hazard a guess, I'd go with GJ buys.
GJ buys. Hmm. One second, let me just open everything up all over again.
No, well, what I was saying was if we're going to guess, not that I'm going to take it.
Okay.
Hector wants to buy in a no trade zone on gold.
That's
So
it. I wanna sell, not
I mean,
buy.
sell.
Hector wants to sell below 1810, right, Hector?
Yeah.
For a touch on 1807.
No, oh, they've been looking at continuation sells.
Yeah, continuation, because it's a nice fake out to the upside.
Yeah, no, not for me. I just won't touch. I don't think I'm gonna touch any of the pairs this morning. Um, I think the market is
Yeah, I'd
setting
rather
up
wait.
for a nice London session. Sorry, NY session.
Look at you guys. Some of us can trade NY.
Pardon?
You can't trade NY.
I can't trade NY.
Wait, why can't you? Oh, yeah,
He's working.
yeah.
Yeah, lucky for you guys, I can't trade NY.
It's
Oh,
okay.
there's somebody in the chat just like DC. Chetan. I accidentally closed GU bars. You've done that before.
I've done that so many times. Yeah, nothing is like according to my trading plan, guys. Nothing is showing itself the way I normally like to watch it.
Yeah, there's no volume.
Hmm.
Right? We can't see a chart right here in the.
Oh, 1 minute. Let me just put it back up.
Yeah.
Gold buys. Let's go, Janet.
There's no volume.
There's really not much to do with gold, guys. To be honest.
No, not while it's in this range. This is ugly.
Come on, Andrew, take one for the team.
Yeah. That 4 hour, previous 4 hour no wick, it's going to come up, make a wick, and then it's going to dump. It's going to do something stupid like that.
Yeah, it's basically gonna retest the top of this range, right? If we see a breakout of this range, that'll be different. But if it's just
Yeah.
gonna retest the top of the range, then that's again different. Alrighty, let's see. You can join our Telegram and Instagram. Do you have Popeyes in South Africa, Andrew?
Sorry, what?
Do you have Popeyes in South Africa?
No, negative. What's that?
Oh, dang. Hector, you all have
I don't say
Popeyes,
it
right?
like it's. No, I don't think we do.
Wait, let's see. Hector?
But Popeye's chicken?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, of course.
Wow.
Nah, bro, we don't have Popeye's chicken.
That is so sad.
Chat, anybody from South Africa? Yes, we have. Apparently we have.
What a shame, Andrew. You're a disgrace.
Bro, I don't eat flipping Popeye's chicken, KFC chicken, any of that rubbish.
Wait, what about Chick-fil-A?
Yeah, we've got Chick-fil-A.
Well, that's right. What about in India? DC.
Yeah.
Do you guys have Chick-fil-A?
We don't have Chick-fil-A. Let's see.
Oh yeah, you do. It's right there.
Hmm. I don't think there is. Wait. I think it's just a. Oh, I know this cafe. No, but this is not a. This is not a Chick-fil-A. Yeah, this is not a Chick-fil-A.
Yeah, this is like Chick-fil-A.
Hmm. Yo, this guy, Joanna was trolling. He's trolling. Do you guys have a Chuck E. Cheese? Joey Gonzalez. I don't think we do, Joey. Chuck E. Cheese. Oh, we do. Oh, we do have a Chuck E. Cheese.
Man, look at you. You don't even know you got a Chuck E. Cheese and you saying I'm bad.
Yeah, that's when we're thinking of taking DC to Chuck E. Cheese.
But it says why was Chuck E. Cheese shut down? The pandemic caused the enterprise to be an estimated $1.2 billion in debt.
Alright, let's go back to business. Look at GA.
GJ.
But yeah, GJ. It's about to break that right now.
Yeah. There is a potential trade on GJ if we're taking the breakout over here. Expectation to break the highs and continue.
I like GJ. I said it would go up.
Yeah. And it would be the break of the previous 4-hour high.
Alright, so back to Chuck E. Cheese. Do you guys have Chuck E. Cheese?
But Chuck E. Cheese closed down, right?
No, they're still open.
Why
No, in
didn't
India.
It's just in India.
why does it say can I take my 1-year-old to Chuck E. Cheese? Yo,
what was
this
the
is
tragedy that happened in Chuck-
this
Why
is
Chuck E. Cheese in Auckland?
this is a little bit weird, dude.
Why?
They're asking questions. Can I take my 2-year-old to Chuck E. Cheese? What happened in Chuck E. Cheese? Why do they have to ask
There
this?
was a tragedy there of some sort, I see.
Okay. No one asked the question, can I take my 1-year-old to KFC? What happened in Chuck E? What was the
I
tragedy?
don't know. They look in the questions. Says
Okay.
there,
Like,
what was the tragedy?
On the evening of December 14, 1993, Nathan Dunlop killed 4 employees of Aurora Chuck E. Cheese while they cleaned up the restaurant after the victim. Wow.
what?
Is
What?
Aurora there in India, DC?
No, this is not here in
Where's
India.
Aurora?
That's got to be somewhere in the US, I guess.
Wait, where?
You
Where?
can't just assume.
No,
Let me
I'm assuming
check
that
it out.
Chuck E. Cheese is
It's American,
yeah,
yeah.
there you go. It's an American company.
It is.
Aurora. Aurora. Man, what the hell?
$11 minutes to GJ closure. Let's see.
Aurora's in the States.
What did I
Hey,
say?
look at Juju.
The scary thing, South Africa has a town called Aurora. What?
Yeah. So no, we don't have a. Do you have a Hooters? No, we don't have Hooters.
We got a Hooters.
Now, how do you not know whether you have a Popeyes, but you know whether you have a Hooters, huh? Andrew? Andrew? Andrew caught vibe. Somebody clip that and send it to his girlfriend.
Just put in the chat who would rather go to Popeyes or Hooters. Just put up a poll. Let's just answer the question for you.
No, I want to
No,
know
I'm
why do
joking.
you know there's a Hooters and how do you not know there's a Popeyes?
No,
Exposed. He got
I've never been to
exposed.
He
Popeyes or Hooters.
exposed himself.
Exposed.
Oh no. Guys are wrong, man.
No wonder you're always trying to make money on the charge.
Uh,
I'm gonna go have a steak on the weekend. Yeah, right.
he's going to Hooters.
Imagine he's like a number one customer.
Yeah, I'm pretty
Yeah,
sure.
no, you can imagine that, but it's not going to be the case. I can guarantee you that.
As soon as he walks in, he's like, "Hey, how you doing, Andrew?"
Oh, that's funny.
Hey, Andrew, how's it going?
Andrew.
This guy, Hector. Isn't it bedtime at your place?
Not for me.
I mean, don't try to change the subject, Andrew. You got exposed.
Yeah,
There,
what do
Mr. Durant said it's South Africa have Hooters, but it's not that nice. I wouldn't know. I've never been. I swear I've never been to a Hooters.
Yeah, right.
Look at him trying to cover it up. It's so cute.
He's probably sweating right now.
Yeah.
Bro, seriously.
No wonder you're trying to save on electricity.
But what I don't understand, he's already saved enough electricity. You know? Because most of his time is already spent in in Hooters, sorry.
Hang on, I'm getting a call.
Mm-hmm.
Hello? Hi. Okay, be there now. Give me a sec, guys.
Who does called you just now?
Yeah, they call in. Apparently, I've still got a bar tab open.
They got they're calling you for happy hours.
Okay. Yeah, I don't think. Guys, this market does not interest me. So I don't think I'm gonna be taking a trade today in the London session. I'll probably look at the NY session a little closely. Yeah, I think I'll probably look at the NY session a little closely as compared to this. Why don't you trade live the NY session? We trade the NY session with the DC trading flow. You can check it in on my website in the description. We trade the NY session live with the trading flow.
So yeah, what you got going on today, DC?
Good question, Hector. Nothing really. There's a 15-minute fake out on Geo.
Are you taking a? I mean, are you gonna hit the gym today?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna hit the gym today.
Liar.
I know if I hit Hooters, I know who I'm bumping into. But alright guys, I'm gonna call it a session.
Hey,
I
look at GA.
I just feel like this is like watching.
It's just about to break,
Fast,
man.
bro.
It looks good. It's about to break right now.
There
If it
is
would close, if it would close above 163, I think I'm
can
gonna take a trade.
take a buy stop at 950.
Yeah.
Just before 163, 5 pips. No
Just
thanks.
Say,
two pips take
uh,
profit.
when we break 163, 160,
Uh, you
that's enough for Hooters, huh?
Oh, my word. Cheers, Tony.
Yeah,
Cheers,
guys.
Chetan. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. Same time, same place. You guys know the vibe. Smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. But until then, I'm gonna head out.
Being Hooters.
See you guys. Take it easy. Bye.
Cheers, guys.
Alright, see you everybody.